good volumes, which offers a great entry opportunity to ride the next leg up move from here on. Stock has seen sharp reversal from the major value area on the basis of following technical parameters. Stock has retraced near about 61.8%, measured from previous major low of 474 to the crest of 887, which is now placed at 632. Lower levels of regression channel is now providing support at or around 640 to 645. 200-day EMA at 668 level is being patterned, is suggesting long trade setup for medium term. Hence, we recommend a buy in this particular stock at current market price or at any dips as per levels mentioned on the screen. Stop loss to be placed as per weekly closing basis just below 620 rupees. Let's go through Nifty trend in the coming week. Indian index Nifty 50 carried forward the bearish momentum from the previous week by opening gap down with more than 73 points at 11,369 on Monday. But as the week advanced further, the bulls jumped into the front seat, driving index Nifty 50 all the way towards 11,486 till Friday, before closing the week at new all-time high of 11,470 against 11,429, which was recorded in a week before. Although we closed at new record high, Nifty failed to surpass the level of 11,495, which may act as a near-term hurdle, for which we think is easily achievable looking at the strength of the ongoing bullish momentum, above which we see levels of 11,550, and a firm close above it could lead to index towards 11,680 and 11,700 in the coming months. With a bullish candle on the chart, trend remains to continue on the higher side within the rising channel. From here, we could possibly see some near-term consolidation as well, with the support at 11,400 and 11,300, which could reverse the short-term trend if index starts moving downward. Let's go through open interest analysis. Strikes of 11,600 saw a mild increase by 30%, whereas not much position change has been seen in any other strike, which indicates 11,600 could act as a minor hurdle in the coming period ahead. Going into Nifty put option open interest analysis, we see an increase in strike of 11,500 by just 44%, followed by 36% in 11,400 strike, which clearly states 11,400 and 600 could act as a trading range going forward. Looking at sector performers, pharma sector was the baton holder for the week, gaining support from IT players and FMCG sector on the back of weak rupee aging to 70s. Real estate player joined the party. Also, automobile and private sector banks managed to close in green. On the other side, PSU banks bleeded by plunging 4.65%, metal slided by 3.07%, followed by media and financial services sector. Thank you for sparing your precious time. Your feedback is valuable for us. We always strive to provide best research services because your profit is our aim. Regulatory disclosure. Investment in equity and F&O markets are subject to market risk. Please read all the concerned and related documents very carefully before investing or taking an investment decision or position in the market. We may also mention that we and our clients may have positions in the scripts and or in F&O series discussed by us. Through developing investment policy statement, you can also log on to invest.faydekasauda.com to invest in mutual fund or download our app with the name of PP Capital. Welcomes you to the weekly infographic presentation. We will go through weekly stock recommendation status, targets and stop loss hit during the previous week, intra-week trading strategy, stock on tech radar series, Nifty trend in the coming week, open interest analysis and sectoral performers of the week. In the week earlier, we published report on Colpal and Chola Finance with a bullish view, from which both of the stocks managed to reach highs of 1,151 and 1,506 in the last week itself, whereas we are bearish on Dalmia Bharat, which did tested low of 2,514 and is likely to move further downside from the current levels. Amongst intra-week strategies, all the 3 sell recommendations have done well so far, where CG Power made a low of 58.5, Hero Moto slided till 3235, and the last stock Raymond, which cracked up to 759 from 800 in the past week in the week gone by. From the earlier reports, we opted for the sell on Balkrishna Industries at the level of 1140, which didn't work well, and stop loss got triggered at 1300 on the weekly closing basis. Let's go through fresh intra-week trading strategy. Power Grid is on our buy list with target price of 193 to 197, around 3.5% upside from the current levels. We have a short view on Sun TV with downside target of 767 to 752, and Bank of India, the PSU player, is looking weak on charts with target price of 85 to 81 rupees. Let's go through Stock on Tech Radar series. The key observation done on daily charts of IGL, a constituent from sector of energy distribution, is showing signs of weakness after a bounce from low of 240.95 on 25th Jan 2018 to the recent high of 320 posted on 30th July 2018. The stock